Ever noticed how one yawn can make a whole room start yawning? It's not just in your head. Yawns are weirdly contagious. But why do we yawn in the first place? Yawning happens when your body needs more oxygen or is trying to cool down your brain. It's a signal that your brain might need a quick reset. In fact, studies have shown that the more empathetic you are, the more likely you'll catch someone's yawn. It's like your brain is syncing up with the people around you. So the next time you yawn and everyone around you follows, you're witnessing your brain's ability to connect with others in action. Pretty wild, right?